So very straightforward question. All IITs are, I mean, is IIT, any IIT, good for placement? When you are joining any IIT, will you be sure that definitely after 2 years of your master degree or more than 2 years of your MS degree, you'll be getting job? Uh, See, why I can answer this question, because you should have little bit knowledge about me. My name is Vikas Kumar Srivastav. I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 8 times. I am running a dedicated coaching center for GATE Aerospace. You can contact me if you want to prepare for GATE Aerospace. I am teaching GATE Aerospace from long time, like 2013 was my first batch, and this is 2025 is running, and my students are preparing for 2026 upcoming gate. You can also join me. My WhatsApp number 6380135260, and I am an IITian. I have completed my UG in aerospace, my MS in aerospace, and now you understand, in any IIT when you are about to join, then this question will disturb you a lot, especially for those students who are having more opportunities. They have better good rank, and now they are looking for this kind of answer, that in which IIT they should take admission. Especially suppose student is with all India rank 10, that person will be having opportunity to join IIT Madras also, IIT Kanpur also, IIT Bombay also, IISc Bangalore also, including IIT Kharagpur. And the person, like I have got texts from students who are having all India rank 20, my own students who are having all India rank is top 10, top 50, top 20. Whenever we have to select, whenever I have to decide any IIT for one of my students, or whenever my friends or someone from YouTube will contact me that, sir, I have this rank, I should join this IIT or that IIT, which branch is fine, I am switching from computer science to aerospace, is that good, this good, because my main motivation is to get the job. Guys, this question is very simple. Is IIT enough after masters to give you job? Can this IIT give you job after master degree or after PhD? So this question is very simple, but answer is very difficult. In every IIT, almost people are present who get no job after completing their master degree and PhD. Again, if you see their background, people who could not secure job from IITs, it's not like they are waste people, because they have got the degree, master degree from IIT or PhD from IIT. So definitely IIT is not giving degree for free. Every IIT, they need that level of dedication, that quality in you, then only you will be receiving your master degree from the IIT. Okay, you cannot be garbage once you have the degree from IIT. So this is fact. I have been IIT, and I am an IIT, and I have been part of IIT, and I have seen my students, several students, not 1 to 10, 100, several, so many hundred students I have seen. My seniors, my juniors, my own friends. So this is, you understand, if you will watch this video completely, then you will not be having fear about job. So first thing, I will classify in several ways. Right now I don't know how many ways I will take, like I can't say 3 ways, 4 ways. So just watch this video, you'll understand, because things are coming from inside. I'm not writing anything to discuss. I don't have pre-written things. When you join any IIT, based on the previous record, remember, every year placement situation changes. Every semester also placement situation can change for MS or PhD student. Any IIT can perform this semester or this year better, and next semester, next year, not better. First thing you remember, people who are being selected from IIT, I mean, they are getting campus placement, they are getting job. In that also they have category. Everyone is not getting very good package, or people who are not being selected in campus selection. It's not like those people are waste people, now life waste. People who are not getting job from different IITs, again they are working, they have link, because alumni network is there, somehow they will be being placed somewhere. Now question comes, see, when you ask question, when you ask to me, or when you ask to someone, or when you have this question that will I be getting job, what do you mean by job, what kind of job you want? Mainly what happens, people who, for example, I am from aerospace department, so people who finish their work in aerospace department, their BTech and their MTech or ME or MS, they will be thinking that they have to do job in their core. Okay, so when you talk about core, guys, understand aerospace industry is like for those people who are cream of their work. So they will be choosing, otherwise you will go this coding side, and people are now shifting towards AI ML. And so when we say about core, what do I mean by core? Mainly R&D. Okay, so will you be getting job or not from the same IIT? Literally, you are getting job or not, in which sector you have done your master degree, and that time company came from for that work or not. So now who is responsible if company is coming or not coming? Okay, so for that, in every IIT we have committee. Those committees will bring the companies for the placement. So one thing can make you safe side, in which IITs more and more companies are coming for the placement. Of course, new IITs are also working hard to bring more and more companies. And one more thing, in first generation IITs or second generation IITs, I mean where number of students are more, even though companies will come, automatically their competition will be high. For example, I will give you one very good example. If you have any IIT which is new, their number of students intake will be less, or less students will join that IIT for master degree. So even though if less companies are coming to that, almost it became the same situation like a first generation IIT, where students are more companies are coming. But again, companies who will come to, because I have seen people from third generation IITs, they are getting very good package, third generation IIT. But everyone is not getting very good package. But when I say this, everyone is not getting a very good package, the same situation reflect to first generation IITs also. I can name IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur. Everyone is not 100%, you don't have anywhere. So now if you are that person who could not get job, who could not qualify interview, or you did well in your job interviews and this thing, and but company didn't hire you, because this can be situation like you qualified the interview, you went through rounds, and but finally you didn't get the selection call, or they said that we'll see later, in polite way. So which IIT is better for job? No one can guarantee. No one can guarantee. So should you stop joining IIT? No. Because if you will join IIT, then only you will be having that side also where people are being selected. I hope you are understanding this. Now when question comes, sir, which IIT I should join, which IIT I should not join? Very thin line answer. Even if you join IIT Madras, you can get job, you may not get job. Even if you are joining IIT Bombay, you can get job, you may not get job. Okay, both situations are there. Very clear. No one can say that join IIT if you are. Of course, one more thing is there. People who are having very good rank, it means they are good academic wise, they are good. And if academic wise they are good, what is the reflection? It means they study well. It means in 2 years of or 3 years of their master degree journey, they will again improve themselves, and they will keep their eyes on those parts which will connect them to industry. Okay, and when you will join IITs, then your guide, your master degree or PhD guide, they will also be telling you that okay, go in this direction, go in this direction. But when you are getting the guidance from anyone, you have to work on that immediately, and within a week you have to develop that skill in you. Okay, like in many IITs, CDC is there. Okay, career development cell. So those people will try to bring maximum companies. But again, understand one thing. Recently I was talking to my guide, and my guide was complaining about some students, that not for everyone, for some students, and even I am very strong, I mean I also have very strong point of view. Industry people are also looking for a right person, because when they will pay you, you should be worth for them. Now question comes, student will say, sir, we are ready to learn. What company needs, we should know first. Suppose I am running a company in which I need person who can run ANSYS software very well, and based on need, person can do ANSYS. Okay, so in their resume they will mention ANSYS, they will mention OpenFOAM, SolidWorks, things like that. But in interview they fail. Now question comes, what type of skills they should learn so that they can fill the gap between academic and the industry, and they can directly go to industry. So when you are joining IIT, that time it's not like you are blind. It's not like people will not help you. Committee is there, people are there, your guide will be there, other professors are there, and your friends are also there, seniors are also there. They all will tell you that last year or in the past history, these things are important to get job in this field, to get job in this field. But here is the problem. What problem? People from aerospace department, or not only aerospace, people who are from a particular department and they love their department, it's like they feel that born to become this person. But when they join IIT or any other college, then that time they feel that no, that job is not that much. Now question comes here, job is not that much. So see, at certain level it's correct that job is not that much, but one more thing is correct, even right people are not enough to get the job, even though if job is there. So my point is, no one can tell you that you will be getting job or not if you will join a particular IIT. But again, it does not mean that you should not join, because people who are getting the job, they are getting job from IIT. Okay. One more situation many students may not be knowing: when company will come to take you, company will be having that, okay, I need this kind of person, I need this kind of person. You are genius of that field, but if requirement is not there, company will not hire you. It means what? If you finish your master degree or PhD from IIT, then according to your skill, you have to look for people, look here and there, Naukri jobs and all. Some websites are there, LinkedIn is there here and there, and some references, and they get into the job. Actually, situation is not very clear, picture is not very clear. My advice is one line advice: you join IIT. Now again, there is no IIT where you have zero placement. Okay, in every IIT you have placement. Now placement depends on many situations, and that situation also depending every year, changing every year, because industry is changing drastically every year. Many of you may be thinking to shift towards AI ML to secure the job position. So you think only you will be the person to learn AI ML to secure the job. Again, when you will go that direction, again competition will be there. Okay, of course, learning new things will give you a skill. It doesn't mean that you came out of the competition, now you are the only person company will hire you. No. In whichever direction, because whatever you are learning from YouTube, LinkedIn, here and there, not only you, everyone is learning that. So of course, one thing is constantly chasing you, that is competition. So how can you come out of the competition? Better skills, better person. You have to be cream out of the milk, sometimes ghee out of the cream. So you'll be safe side. Everyone cannot do this, remember, because in 2 or more than 2 years of master degree including MS, you will not be having enough time to improve in every direction. That's why when you do master degree from IITs, you have to decide in the beginning itself which IIT, which topic, which professor. So every MTech or ME or MSc student don't get chance to in the beginning itself they have to decide IIT or they have to decide branch, because everyone is not getting very good rank. So a student sitting at 300 rank in general category, suppose aerospace I'm talking, a student getting 300 rank in general category aerospace department, that person will not be having enough choice which IIT, which branch. In that case, that student will join certain IIT with so many confusions, so much confusion will be there in mind. Okay, this IIT I joined. Suppose like people from aerospace department, they think, sir, thermal join करें क्या? सर propulsion तो उस IIT में नहीं है. सर computational mechanics मिल रहा है. क्या करना है सर? Guys, understand. In worst case, if you are joining any IIT with confusion, it's not like you are dead. No, your journey will start from day one. When you enter, you talk to right people. You don't talk here and there, you don't search your queries here and there. How will you get right people? Right people you will get at right platform. Sir, first generation, third generation, how to decide which is right platform? Remember one thing. Indian government or IIT system, when they select professors, those professors are actually ghee out of cream, which cream is coming out of milk. Those professors are world-class recognized researchers. They know situation very well. When you will enter into IIT, any IIT, I'm talking about any IIT, IIT Dharwad or IIT Madras, IIT Palakkad or IIT Bombay, like any IIT, professors are amazing. One thing you will see the difference: new professors and old professors. New professors and old professors. Remember one thing: new professors are selected by a committee which is more experienced. So they are the right people. So when you will join, so I hope somewhat clearance you are getting. So see, this is not a bad question like asking, will I be getting job from particular IIT or not? No, no, it is a very genuine question. It makes sense. But in background, some confusions will always be there. Okay, right now I can ask you one thing. After joining IIT, will you be able to complete your master degree? Can you give straight answer? Yes, sir, I will be. How can you say? How can you say your health will not go down here? So I am trying to say that confusion level you should not create too much. Of course, this video you don't take in negative way, or don't be too much motivated with this video. Knowing facts will always give you extra thought to clear your picture. So this video is like, you should know this phenomena. Like people who join IIT, they have I mean, I have seen both kind of situations, including my students, including me, including, see, before 1 or 2 semesters, like I mean during my MS, I had one of my professors in IIT. He told me that you can join internship at Bosch, but I was not, I didn't show much interest, because I am into, so uh, yeah, in that batch itself, I found people in master degree, they got placed at 13 LPA, 13 LPA, two people out of 7 or 8 people, two people got placed at. Some people will compare that, sir, uh, after my BTech itself I am getting 6 LPA, 5 LPA, 8 LPA. Then after my MTech, I should get more LPA, like I should get very good LPA, 15 LPA, 20 LPA. People expect this. People expect this. But you also understand, market is changing every year. Market is changing, situation is changing, company is also in many videos I have told this to you. Today also I am telling you, if you are not if you are not enough skilled and talented to give profit of 40 CR to a company will not give you 4 CR. Okay, so first fundamental thing, you have to make yourself amazing. I know that you are ready to do this, but you don't know what to learn. Some people ask, sir, before few days, one student told me, sir, this is my score and this is my rank. Uh, he contacted me on WhatsApp. Sir, I am from Bihar, and he said like this, sir, I should join IIT Bombay or ISC Bangalore. In so, and he also discussed few things. Based on that, I guided him that join ISC Bangalore. Then later in next statement he is writing, but sir, ISC Bangalore is very far from Bihar, from my hometown. So I was like, what is this, man? If already you know this situation that ISC Bangalore is far from your place, then why are you wasting my time asking, sir, I should join IIT Bombay or ISC Bangalore, right? And then same student is asking in next chat, uh, sir, should I take CFD in my first semester or not, because I don't know coding. So remember one thing, as an engineer, not only as an engineer, छोटे भाई छोटे बहन के रूप में हम तुमसे बता रहे हैं. आई एम कंसिडरिंग यू एज माई यंगर ब्रदर, यंगर सिस्टर. आई एम टेलिंग यू that be ready to learn. Okay, and learning any coding on those things will not take more than a week. Even if you are a zero, within a week, by using YouTube, by sitting 10 to 8 hours every day, 10 to 8 hours every day, if you sit, literally you can get a average level. See guys, nowadays you have to learn things quickly, and you have to implement, you have to use this in certain things, so that you can understand that. Otherwise that fear will always with you. I don't know Python, I don't know MATLAB, I don't know Python, I don't know MATLAB, I don't know CFD. No, don't do like this. Sabse pehle, before joining master degree, you quickly finish some fundamentals of Python from YouTube or from anywhere. Literally whatever kind of course you do in IIT, in master degree, everywhere Python, MATLAB will be very important, because in any engineering, calculation, graph, images, those things you have to generate, you have to do. So before Python, MATLAB you go and finish. So finish MATLAB, how long time will it take? In official website itself, MATLAB, they have this thing, video lectures. You finish those video lectures. If you are uncomfortable, then amazing YouTubers are there on YouTube. You find in your language. It is available in English, Hindi, maybe in some other Indian languages like Tamil, Telugu. I'm not sure lists are there or not, because I speak Hindi and English. So mostly when I was not knowing things, I referred some Hindi videos, MATLAB. And it's not like only one YouTuber is teaching you everything. According to topic, you can switch to Google, you can switch to ChatGPT, you can switch to, like, you have to find your own way. And listen, man, you have done your 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay, you have done your BTech also, or about to finish your BTech. Okay, you know now how to learn things quickly, and never think like, okay sir, 2 months I will spend on this coding. Quickly you finish. Now you can do 6 to 10 days you give and finish this particular thing. So at least then you will not say, sir, I don't know coding. At least you know how to code and all. And one more thing, it's not like you will become a perfect coder one day. No. Okay, and I'm not saying that coding is the only thing which will lead from here to here. No. I have seen people who don't know coding, even who don't know proper ANSYS and SolidWorks, and they still work in ANSYS, SolidWorks and coding field. They are learning every day. They ask support from their senior. They learn every day. They have self-study time 2 hours every day. Do you have self-study time 2 hours every day? No, you are confused. So you find that time. Again, I will come back to the topic. Is IIT enough to give you placement? Answer is, are you enough to take the placement? So sir, how, again question comes, sir, how will I become that much potential person to join campus selection from IIT? Can I get seat there? So again, in which department you are joining? What are the companies are coming? Those skills you have or not? Sir, how will I know all this data? After joining IIT, sir, question comes, which IIT I will join? Again, it is a ring. Okay, again, like same loop you are traveling. Sir, which IIT? This IIT. Why? Who is telling you to join this IIT? On what basis? Sir, companies came. What if next year situation will change? Or what if when you are about to complete your master degree, market changed? Then imagine by mistake also, if any year any IIT is giving 100% master degree placement in aerospace department, and everyone will join that IIT next year. In that everyone, some people will join who literally are not enough, not skilled. So that time they will disturb the placement next year. Because of them, placement will not happen 100%. And one more thing, it's not always students' mistake. Channel is because things are set by channel, right? So every IIT is trying to bring companies, but again, companies needs good people. Good people means skilled people. So every companies are having different demands. For example, in aerospace companies, you may be knowing about Skyroot. Suppose Skyroot is looking for a particular thing, for a particular domain. Suppose Skyroot is designing a nozzle. Just an example. Suppose Skyroot is designing a nozzle, and out of all whatever IITs are there, 23 IITs are there. Suppose someone from third generation IIT, they have worked on nozzle design in their BTech and MTech, or maybe not in BTech but in MTech or in MS, and they applied on LinkedIn and it matches, and they offered them 20 lakhs. So what does it mean? So it means what? You just mostly what happens, I'm telling you, mostly people who join MTech, they are actually not satisfied with their BTech study, or they are not good enough to get job after BTech. Mostly I'm telling, literally, you can comment, sir, no, you're wrong. No, I'm not wrong, I know. Mostly people are not getting job after BTech, so that's why they choose to do master degree. But again, I respect many people who literally join master degree because of their interest. Okay, some people, they did BTech, they are working at a good pay scale in some company. Later they drop the company and they join particular IIT to enhance their knowledge, to do master degree. Again, some people, they don't do master degree because of interest in the academics. They get they did BTech, they completed BTech, they are doing job. Now they learned in company that if they have master degree in this skill, they can earn well. That's why they switch to academics back. They finish their master degree, and they do like this. Okay, and what are you talking about job opportunities and all? This is a very tough question to answer, I know, but I have tried my best to convey few things which is actually genuine and very practical. Every IIT, I'm including every single IIT, is not capable to make 100% placement, because every IIT is not getting very good students in their master degree. Now, why students are not good? Some students are definitely cracking GATE exam with good rank, but their knowledge in BTech is not enough. So who is responsible for their knowledge? Sometimes they themselves, sometimes the situation. They wanted to learn, but they could not get the right people. So everything is linked. Now question comes, sir, because we are not good enough in BTech, we could not secure a good job in BTech. That's why we are looking forward to do master degree. That's why we are asking question to you. Which IIT we should join? So for that only I have given this much lecture, that if you want to join any IIT, you have to see properly. First, you remove this thing from your mind that even if you join number one IIT in research, IIT Madras for aerospace department, you may not get job from that IIT. Okay, because any IIT is not giving 100% placement. Okay, sir, then should I? So see, I have seen also this kind of people who have secured a rank in GATE exam, but later they changed their mind. They didn't complete their master degree. They didn't join master degree. They shifted towards UPSC preparation, and later they qualified UPSC exam. They didn't go for master degree. Okay, so see, sometimes you can have a fake attitude inside you, that I want to become this, I want to become this, because of that you're wasting your time. Or sometimes you did not recognize your real taste, because of that you could not grow in that field. Many factors are there. Okay, many of you may not be agree with me, but it's like I'm talking to some person who is asking me a question, sir, I have this rank, and now which IIT I should join. Okay, so this confusion will be for those people mainly who are having moderate rank, because good rankers, I know they are good people. Good rankers, good people means academically they are good. Academically they are good. So whatever IITs they, because see, who will get placed? People with good academic background will get placed, of course. Okay, so if they will join, suppose first ranker is joining IIT Kanpur, then there is huge chance that IIT Kanpur will be having one more campus selection that year. But if that first ranker will go to Bombay or Madras or any other IIT, then that IIT will be having more chance to have one more selection. Okay, it is very subjective. I alone may not. I'm alone may not be enough to highlight all the points. Okay, according to my limited experience, but of course, whatever experience I have, based on that, I have helped many people. So means getting into IIT is very important thing. First, qualify your GATE exam and get into IIT, and after entering into IIT you will be having another, because you need right guidance, what to learn, what not to learn, and then in which direction you have right taste. Sometimes you don't have. See, I have also seen a situation that sir, जो मिलेगा पढ़ लेंगे, जो मिलेगा कर लेंगे, and that kind of students are also getting placed at 15 LPA after their master degree. Okay, they did not bother about any IIT. Whatever rank they got, whatever first seat they got, they joined, and whatever professor they got under them, they did master degree, and finally they are being placed. Okay, but it's better to calculate in the beginning itself and keep these facts in mind. Then you will not be having fear. Then you will be knowing the real situation. And always remember, placement situation changes every semester, every year, because industries are transforming very well, and it's good that transformation is there. Otherwise saturation will come, and if saturation will come, vikas ruk jayega fir. Okay, thank you guys.